Joe's Golden Garage here. I've got the 2014 Ford F-250 Super Duty today. 6.7 power stroke. This truck is a freaking monster. God, look at these huge ass wheels and tires, 20s. And look at this big old front bumper. That's an aftermarket accessory my stepdad had put on this thing when he bought it new to accommodate his worn winch. I wonder if that's 12,000 pounds. That's a freaking huge Ford emblem. Anyway, it's the first time ever driving this thing. It's a platinum edition. Freaking exhaust, man. It's a good looking truck. It's got a dent right here. And it seems like it has a little scuff here. But other than that, I think that's it as far as body damage goes. It's never been wrecked or anything, or in an accident. But it's full of shit. Sorry, had a phone call interrupt the video. No, I do like this brown kind of coach leather interior. Platinum's pretty hard loaded in this truck, but this one doesn't have a sunroof, or I guess you could probably get rear seat entertainment with these. But again, it has the nice leather and the little wood grain accents. It's four-wheel drive. I mean, look at all this crap. It's got your, 20-way power seats. Got some nice WeatherTech mats. Got a good-looking infotainment screen up here. Let's start this bad boy up. $54,177 on the miles. Not bad for a 14. Averaging about 15.9 miles to the gallon. That's not bad either, I don't think, because this son of a gun is freaking huge. Got a nice infotainment here. It's trying to connect to my stepdad's iPhone. But as you can see here, you have heated steering wheel, AC seats. Sorry, I'm so shaky. Heated seats. Your automatic climate control. Ooh, I can already feel that in my bum. Four-wheel drive, very nice. Got lots of 12-volt and USB and all the stuff you need to hook up and connect. 4 cup holders. Got your brake controller there and your, your upfitter switches. Got some vodka. got several things in here. There's probably a few pistols. Curtain airbags, side airbags. They've really made these trucks safe here lately in these later years. I don't think I have the Monroney on this thing. No. I don't know where it would be. No Monroney. But this thing is a freaking beast, man. I mean, these side mirrors. I was going down the road and passed a lady walking down the side of the road, and the top of her head came to that very bottom mirror. And I thought, I mean, these things are killer vehicles. I was behind a Hyundai Accent coming here in the shopping center parking lot, and the whole car just kind of vanished in front of mine as I got up on their rear bumper. I mean, this thing would eat the entire car if it hit it. So, yeah, these things are really big. I can see why they're so popular. And it makes me wish they would bring the damn Excursion back. Imagine one of these in a diesel form sport utility. That'd be crazy. But anyway, just a little quick startup. got a 0 to 60. And yeah, y'all enjoy. We'll see you next time. Peace.